Hello guys, in this video I am going to solve another problem based on Newton's divided difference formula. Okay, so the question is given u0 minus 4, u1, u4, u5, u6 values are given. You need to find u2 value. Find u2. Okay, now you can observe that u0 equal to minus 4. So 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 are the x terms. So x, it is given 0, 1, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 5 and 6. Corresponding y values is given, that is minus 4, minus 2, 220, 546 and 1148. Okay, so these are the given values. You need to find what you do. So next, moving on to the next table, that is delta y. Okay, the same thing, lower minus upper. Okay, so what you have to do, lower minus upper. So lower is what? Minus 2 minus the upper one, minus the upper one, so minus of minus 4 divided by what? Corresponding x terms. So lower minus upper, 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0, also lower minus upper. When we solve this, we'll get it as what? Okay, now moving on to the next one, 220 minus of minus 2, 220 lower minus 4 divided by corresponding x terms. So 4 minus 1. Okay, you will get it as 74. Okay, now next term, 546 minus 220. Okay, 546 minus 220 divided by corresponding x terms difference, that is 5 minus 4, 5 minus 4, lower minus upper, here also same thing, lower minus upper divided by lower minus upper, equal to, what will you get? 326. Okay, now next, the last term. Last term is what? 1148. Okay, this term, lower minus upper, minus 546 divided by lower minus upper, 6 minus 5, you will get it as 603. Okay, so we got the values of delta y. Proceeding to delta square y, so I'll write these values. So this value is, so first value, it is what? 274, 326 and 602. Now next, delta square y. Now lower minus upper, 74 minus 2 divided by, now here you have to see that, see, in the earlier case, here there are 5 terms. In the previous problem, it was 4 terms. So in that, I said you always to use this, that first term 1 3, 2 4 and 1 4. Yeah. So it means that for the delta square y values, you have to use 1 3. That means 3 minus third term minus the first term. Third term, the first term means this one. Okay, this is the first term, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, first term, third term minus first term, fourth term minus second term. Then for the delta cube, this is for delta cube. Okay, delta cube, it is 4 minus 1. When the x terms, number of x terms are 4, for that case. For the number of x terms, if it is 5, what you have to do? Same thing. 1, 3, 1 and third term you have to take, 2 and fourth term. Okay, now 3 and 5th term, third and 5th term. Basically odd terms, even terms, then again odd terms. This is for delta square y column. Okay, now for the delta cube y column, what you have to do? 1 4 2 5. Okay, it's basically diagram 1 4 2 5. This is, I'm talking about x, all thing about x values. When you divide, this is for the division part. Okay, for the numerator part, it is basically the terms. That means y values, y terms, delta y you have to, lower minus upper you have to do. This is for the x terms. From where you have to take x, which term you have to take, that I have written here. Basically, now the first thing, 74 minus 2. Now for the taking the x term, and you have to divide it there. This term you have to take 1 3 odd term, 1 and 3 you have to take. 1 and 3, third term will be the lower one, this will be the upper one. So 3 third term minus first term, that is 4 minus 0. Correct? Okay, we'll calculate afterwards. Now 326 minus lower minus upper, the x term, which one you have to take? 1 3 over 2 4, even terms, 2 4, these two terms. Which one is the lower one? Fourth term. So 5 minus 1. This I am talking about x terms only. Okay, by which you have to divide, which terms you have to take. Now 602 minus 326, lower minus upper, divide by what terms you have to take? 3 5, 3 5, lower minus upper, 6 minus 4. Okay, now you have to just calculate. So basically I'll repeat it again. So basically this is a method I have chosen to find the division part. Okay, which terms you have to use. So basically this is for x terms. So first and third term you have to use. Odd terms, even terms, odd terms. This is for delta square y column, division part. Moving on to the delta cube, you have to use these terms. Okay, 1 4 2 5, 1 4 2 5, that will do. So we are going to find, so just you have to calculate and write the values. So I will directly write it. Okay, so delta square y, it is basically 18 63 138. Okay, just you can calculate it as. Moving on to the next, that is delta cube y column. Again the same thing, 63 minus, that thing will do. Okay, I'll do it here. 63 minus 18, lower minus upper, divide by which term you have to choose from the x column, which terms you have to use. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. First term, fourth is this one. See, first and fourth term, that is 5 minus 0. Got it? Now 138 minus 60, 138 minus 63, divided by, no, which term you have to use from the x column. So you have to choose second and fifth term, second and fifth term. Okay, second and fifth term. So lower will be the fifth term. So 6 minus 1, 6 minus 1. So just calculate and find out the value. So I will directly write the values. So it's basically, so this values is 9 and this is 15. Okay, you can just calculate and see. Now the last term, it's simple. For finding the last term, okay, last single term, you have to just subtract this term, 15 minus 9, divided by the first and the last term. That's it, first and the last term. Okay, in the 4 terms also, in that case also, you have to take the first and the last term. That is 6 minus 0, that is 6 only. 15 minus 9 is what? 6. 6 divided by 6, that will be equal to So delta power 4y will be this value. Okay, so we calculated. So we have taken here 5 terms. Okay, so basically we have to just substitute these values in the formula. So the formula is y is equal to y naught plus x minus x naught into delta y naught plus x minus x naught into x minus x1 into delta square y naught plus x minus x naught into x minus x1 into x minus x2 into delta cube y naught. Do we have to proceed further? Yes, of course, because delta power 4 y term is given. It is, we found out that value that is not 0, so you have to write that formula also. So x minus x naught into x minus x1 into x minus x2 into x minus x3 into delta power 4 y naught. Till here you have to write. Since the value of y naught it is given, or it is, we have found out the value of this thing. So since it is not 0, so we have to write this value also. Okay, now just we have to substitute in that. So here it is asked u2 value. u2 means u is a function of x. That means 2 is nothing but what, x. There is just substitute in place of 2. In place of x you have to substitute 2. So y naught we know the value, that is what, y naught is minus 4. Minus 4 plus 3 x minus, so 2 minus this thing you have to do, right? 2 minus 0, that is 2 into 2, right, plus x minus x naught. So x value we know 2 minus x naught, that is 0. So 2 into what is given, x minus x1. X we know that is 2 minus x1. So we'll get it as what, 1 into delta square y naught, 18. Okay, just directly you can write the values, substitute these values and find out the answer. Okay, just you have to substitute these values. X we know, x naught, x1, all the things we know. Just you substitute, the answer you will get it's as 68. Okay, so this is the answer. So you have to just substitute and find the answer.